Welcome to Atech. In this video I will tell you that how to make your phone fast. If you face the mobile hang problem and your mobile is slow, then this video is for you. So follow all the steps and the speed of your phone will increase 3 times. So let's get started. First of all, we will move to settings. Then on search we will type about, click search, and here you can see about phone option. So on top you can see about phone. We will open it. So here you can see Android version, and you can see in front of it it's 12. It's 12 Android version. So 12 is the code. So we will click on it again and again. We will click around 10 to 20 times so it will be enabled. Click it again and again multiple times. Keep clicking. So you can see after multiple clicking it's open now. So we will set it on 12. Yeah, so now developers mode is enabled. Now we will move back. Now turn back, and after scrolling you can see developers option in bottom. So we will open it, and after scrolling you can see drawing option. So in drawing you can see 3 different animation scales: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. We will open them. So here you can see different scales. So 10x mean minimum speed, highest mean minimum speed, and lowest mean maximum speed. So we will click on 10x and you can see the speed of mobile is very low now. Now I will click on 5x and you can see the speed is a little bit more. But for maximum speed, to increase the speed, we will click on animation off. First option, animation off, for maximum speed. So now you can see the speed, it's very fast. So in the same way we will select all 3 options and we will animation off. First one, select animation off. So now we will move on third one, animator duration scale, and click animation off button. So in this way the speed of your mobile will increase 3 times. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for such an amazing tricks. Thanks for watching.